is only one emulator connected, I can install it there. Yeah, installer failed because application is already installed in there. Let me uninstall it first. My activity, this is the application installed. Application is already installed. So if you go to settings, apps, my activity test, install, installing it. Okay, if we run the thing again, it will say application will be installed. Yeah, success. Application will be installed on the emulator. Okay, let's say if you have more than one emulator connected, or more than one device connected, let me go to Eclipse and open up my the second AVD. This is the AVD for Gingerbread. I'm running it on 3-inch. This emulator is running now. Starting. And we have two emulators. Alright, as you can see, we have emulator for ice cream sandwich, emulator for gingerbread, and actual device is connected. If you run that device command again, you should be able to see 3 devices are connected. They have a unique identifier, the device type and the port number it's been used. And if you do a net stat, you should be able to see these ports are open and they are listening. This is 5037 is where ADB server is running. These are the ports. This is the ports used for by first connection to the emulator. This is for the second connection to the emulator. There are 2 ports being used. I'll show you. The other port is to connect to the shell environment on the device. If you type ADB shell, ADB shell, more than one devices. See, I didn't specify the device I want to connect, so it's giving me an error. So since more than one computer is connected, we have to specify which device we want to connect to. So to do that, either you can now you cannot use this E. You can try because we have 2 emulators running. We have to specify which emulator we are targeting. So to do this, that we have to find the ID of the device. This is the ID. Let's say we want to connect to the gingerbread server, gingerbread device. Instead of E, we can give it a device ID. This device ID. And copy it. Now paste it here. As you can see, now it has connected to the shell environment of the second device. If you now we are logged into the shell environment inside this device. If you do ls, you should be able to see the directories on the phone. See, you can see SD card and all the system directories. If you go to system, code hinting is not working. Alright, that's pretty much of it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you like it, remember to put a like on my video, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to uh, get more tutorials in the future. I'm gonna do more and more Android application development tutorials within next few days time. So subscribe, keep in touch. See you soon.